In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram or Instagram from Facebook. So once you open your Instagram app, click on your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and select Settings and Privacy. Select Account Center. Once open, click on Accounts and then tap to remove your Facebook account. So once you remove your FB account, you will lose access to connected experiences. So when you're sure about it, tap Remove Account and then tap on Continue. So it's the same on your Facebook account. If you want to unlink Instagram from Facebook, just go to your Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and scroll all the way down. And at the bottom, click on Account Center. Click on Accounts and then find your Instagram account. Just tap Remove. And it says here you will lose access to connected experiences. So when you're sure about it, just tap Remove Account and then tap on Continue. And that's it. That's how to unlink Facebook from Instagram or vice versa. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.